Hello, it's Kai from Medical Surgical. In this video, we will introduce you our carbon fiber orthopedic traction stand. Before we do the connection, we have to operate the table to the proper position so we can easily install the traction frame onto the table. We lower the height. And what we have to do is just we hanging it on. And now we can remove the trolley. And then we slide the gap. So the traction frame and the hip section is seamlessly connected. This extension beam is also designed with two joints, so we can lose it. And then we can adjust very flexibly. And after the correct position, we can tighten it. Okay, now it's firmly tightened. For a normal orthopedic surgery, one leg is under surgery and the other leg should be rested. So there is a leg holder to support the other leg. For this orthopedic traction frame, this beam is made totally of carbon fiber. And also for this pelvic area, this top is also made of carbon fiber. And this platform is made of X-ray translucent material. So we have a lot of space. It's wide open for the C-arm exam. This foot traction and friction system can be widely and flexibly adjusted in terms of the length, angle, and tightness. And from this direction, it can be the normal size patient, can be extreme height, and also we can change the direction. And we can turn it around. And from this side, we can do the traction for the extreme short patient. And also, the angle can be adjusted from here. And then can be tightened. Also, the angle can be adjusted. And we lose this screw, and we can precisely adjust the length. And the boot itself, it has an adjusting angle. Thanks for watching.